हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, मी मुकुंदा माळी सर BFC इंग्लिश या आमच्या यूट्यूब चॅनलवर आपलं स्वागत आहे. मित्रांनो, या व्हिडिओ लेक्चरच्या माध्यमातून आपण इयत्ता 10वीच्या टेक्स्टबुकमधील लेसन नंबर 2.6 वर्ड हेरिटेज या लेसनचे इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप अभ्यासणार आहोत. त्यासाठी मित्रांनो हा व्हिडिओ शेवटपर्यंत नक्कीच बघा. English workshop question number 10. Following are the ways to preserve World Heritage sites. Transfer these points into a small paragraph. Suggest a suitable title. खाली जागतिक वारसा स्थळे जतन करून ठेवण्याच्या पद्धती दिलेल्या आहेत. या मुद्द्यांचा उपयोग करून एक लहानसा परिच्छेद लिहा व त्यास योग्य शीर्षक द्या. आन्सर: प्रिझर्विंग वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट्स for future generations. Let us be sensible and practical to preserve our world heritage sites for future generations. It depends on well organized and well managed plan. World heritage sites must be practically conserved so that they do not face danger from pollution, attacks, breakdowns, etc. A strong fence should be built around the sites so that animals and trespassers cannot approach them. The entry to the sites must be strictly monitored and controlled. Security checks at the entrance are necessary. The sites should not be neglected. The smallest crack or damage must be brought to the notice of local authorities and addressed promptly. Repairs and maintenance should take place regularly. Question number 11. Find from the text minimum 8 words related to cultural heritage and make a word register. Arrange them in an alphabetical order. Answer: words are given in alphabetical order. 1. Abu Simbel temples. 2. Culture. 3. Egyptian artifacts. 4. Machu Picchu. 5. Monuments. 6. Mount Hungshan. 7. Sydney Opera House. 8. Temples. Question number 12. Look at the words and their meanings. Choose the correct alternatives. 1. Determine. B. Decide. 2nd. Monument. C. Memorial buildings. 3rd. Significant. D. Important. 4th. Disaster. C. Calamity. Question number 13. Rewrite the following sentences using not only but also and as well as in two separate sentences. 1. UNESCO and the International Council on Monuments initiated a draft convention to create an international organization responsible for protecting cultural heritage. Answer: sentence of not only but also. Not only UNESCO but also the International Council on Monuments initiated a draft convention to create an international organization responsible for protecting cultural heritage. Use of as well as. UNESCO as well as the International Council on Monuments initiated a draft convention to create an international organization responsible for protecting cultural heritage. 2. The state parties are responsible for identifying and nominating new sites. Answer: use of not only but also. The state parties are responsible not only for identifying but also for nominating new sites. Using as well as. The state parties are responsible for identifying as well as for nominating new sites. 3. Opera House in Australia and the Historic Center of Vienna in Austria are cultural sites of World Heritage. Answer: not only but also. Not only the Opera House in Australia but also the Historic Center of Vienna in Austria is a cultural site of World Heritage. Use of as well as. the Opera House in Australia, as well as the historic center of Vienna in a cultural state of World Heritage. Fourth sentence, World Heritage sites can be a combination of both cultural and natural areas. Answer, use of not only but also. World Heritage sites can be a combination of not only cultural but also natural areas. Use of as well as. The World Heritage sites can be a combination of cultural as well as natural areas. Sentence number 5. To protect the temples and artifacts, UNESCO launched an international campaign. Answer, sentence of not only but also. UNESCO launched an international campaign not only to protect temples but artifacts also. Sentence of as well as. UNESCO launched an international campaign to protect temples as well as artifacts. Question number 14. Rewrite the following sentences replacing as well as by no sooner than. For example, as soon as he came, they all gave an applause. Answer, no sooner did he came, then all gave an applause. A. As soon as the bill is passed, it will become an act. Answer, no sooner is the bill passed, then it will become an act. B. As soon as the thief escaped, the family informed the police. Answer, no sooner did the thief escape, then the family informed the police. C. As soon as you have finished, you can submit your answer papers. Answer, no sooner have you finished than you submit your answer papers. D. As soon as they can manage, they should change their house. Answer, no sooner can they manage than they should change their house. E. As soon as the bell will ring, the school assembly will start. Answer, no sooner will the bell ring than the school assembly will start. Question number 15. Prepare a tourism leaflet on any one of the following. You may refer to the points given in warming up. Answer, tourist place Kolhapur, how to reach there, nearest railway station Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj Terminus Kolhapur, nearest airport Chhatrapati Rajaram Maharaj Airport Kolhapur domestic airport, nearest bus stand ST stand Kolhapur, local transport is available. Top 5 spots to visit: Mahalakshmi Temple, Panala Fort, Rankala Lake, Maharaja Palace, Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj Museum, Gandharva Resort and Amusement Park. Special features of these spots: Mahalakshmi Temple, holy seat of Amba Mata; Rankala Lake, famous for its beauty; Maharaja Palace, magnificent structure of Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaja's palace, Indo-British architecture; Maharaj Museum, great collections of historical period; Gandharva Resort and Amusement Park, pleasant and attractive beautiful site with amusing games; mouth-watering special cuisines, delightful tasty non-veg food, Pandra Rassa, Tamda Rassa, Kolhapur Misal, Mohak Lassi, Davangiri Dosa, etc. Other nearby sightseeing spots: Panala Fort, Kaneri Math, Mahabaleshwar, Radhanagari Wildlife Sanctuary. For further details, contact Vikas Tours and Travels. Project: make a list of sites from our state that are included in the World Heritage Sites. आपल्या महाराष्ट्रातील जागतिक वारसा स्थळामध्ये समाविष्ट असलेले स्थळांची यादी करायची आहे व पुढील इतरही प्रश्न आहेत. मित्रांनो, मला कमेंट बॉक्समध्ये आपल्या महाराष्ट्रातील जागतिक वारसा स्थळांची संख्या व त्यांची नावे कळवायची आहेत. तर मित्रांनो, नक्कीच कमेंट करा. I hope friends तुम्हाला हा व्हिडिओ नक्कीच आवडला असेल. व्हिडिओला लाईक करा व जास्तीत जास्त विद्यार्थी मित्रांपर्यंत या व्हिडिओला शेअर करा. थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग फ्रेंड्स.